Pay-as-you-go gas is the easy and convenient way to manage your gas at home, giving you complete control over your gas bill. Once your pay-as-you-go meter is installed, you'll receive a gas card. Please insert your new gas card into the meter before purchasing credit for the first time. Follow these 3 steps to ensure your card works correctly. Insert your card into the card slot in the gas card meter and leave it for at least 15 seconds until the meter displays 0.00 on the card. Remove the gas card and bring it to a Payzone outlet to purchase credit for the card. After purchasing credit, insert the card into the meter and follow the instructions on the screen. To transfer credit from your gas card onto the meter, you must insert your gas card. Ensure that the gold-coloured chip on the card is facing towards the meter display. The display will show the amount of credit available on the card. To transfer your credit to the meter, press the red button A. The meter will deduct any debt you owe. The meter will always add some of the credit you've bought to the credit screen.